What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're going to be taste testing vegan sausage and seitan from Blackbird Foods. Now, if you don't know what seitan is, it's actually a vegan meat substitute made from wheat gluten. Shout out to Blackbird Foods for sending us theirs to try. Now, Blackbird Foods also sent us their pizza to try, which we actually did in this video right here. So if you haven't seen that video already, go ahead and check it out. Now, we tease these recipes on our Instagram, so if you're not following us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us now. Now, if you're new here, we are a vegan family of 8. My wife Chris and I have 6 kids, and we've been vegan for 5 years. We normally do vegan food reviews and recipes, but we also did a raw vegan challenge. So if you haven't seen those videos, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. Also, we recently hit 9,000 subscribers.
Woot woot.
9,000 subscribers!
Woot woot.
We want to hit 10,000, so go ahead and tell a friend and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're not new here and you're excited to see what recipes we cook up today, go ahead and hit that like button. Now today, we are making Philly Cheesesteak, we are making a calzone, and a smothered BBQ Chicken Sandwich.
Woo.
Oh yeah. Alright, so guys, let's head inside and make these recipes.
And the sexy walk, and he sexy walks, and he sexy oh, it's so sexy, so sexy.
Alright guys, so before we continue, we do have a coupon code for all of Blackbird Foods items. If you go on their website, you put this code in, it will save you 10% on your order. Now, Blackbird is a plant-based meat and pizza company based in Long Island City, New York City. They recently launched their e-commerce division to start shipping their products overnight across the country. They also recently launched their newest product, which is their sausage, last month. They make all their products in-house in an industrial kitchen in New York City, and all their ingredients are natural and derived from plants. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to get started on is the calzone. Alright guys, so we just put some of the sausage to cook in the pot and just add a little bit of seasonings just to, flavor it up a little bit. But we just use some garlic powder, a little bit of sea salt, and some Italian seasonings. And with the magic of television, we got
that was fast.
Calzone.
Wow, that smells amazing.
It's Italiano calzone. And next up, we are going to cook the Texas barbecue seitan.
I like how they're like vacuum sealed.
They are vacuum sealed. They're kind of compact, and you get a lot. It's like half a pound, so you get a lot. You can make quite a bit of meals with this. Yeah,
and we're not gonna season this up or anything. This one in particular, because I really want to see how that barbecue sauce tastes.
Exactly.
If it's anything like the one on the pizza.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit in its juices.
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of bussin'.
Yeah. All right, so let's go and put this in the pot. Oh, before we put it in the pot, let me do a smell test. Smell it. It smells pretty sausagey.
It does.
Right? It smells like sausage. Smells like there's some flavors in there.
Yeah, we hesitated to call this a pulled pork sandwich just because we don't want anybody being like, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. But that smells like what I remember pulled pork to smell like.
Pulled pork.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna say that.
And here we are, just warming this bad boy up. Smelling pretty good.
It does smell good. We should put some onions. I kind of forgot.
Ooh, a little bit of onions in that thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got some onions in there. And now we're gonna put some barbecue sauce. And guys, if you wanna know how to make this barbecue sauce, we actually made it in our meatloaf recipe in this video right here. Go ahead and check that out. Smelling good. Alright guys, so the smothered barbecue chicken is done. Now we're gonna work on the Philly cheesesteak. And here's what we're gonna do for the Philly cheesesteak. We're going to cook it up, then we're going to melt some vegan cheese on it, and then we're going to make our infinite cheese sauce for dipping. But here's the twist. We're not only gonna use it for dipping for the Philly cheesesteak, but we're also gonna use it for dipping for the calzone. Now if you notice, we didn't put any cheese in the calzone. Chris had the idea that we would use the infinite cheese sauce as a dipping sauce. Do things a little different, you know, make it a little nasty.
Nasty. That's the definition.
The definition. Open up, stay.
Dripping.
Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so that smells good right there.
I know.
So we got our marinated seitan. This is the original.
Yes.
And we actually marinated it for a few hours.
Yeah, and we just used some of our favorite seasonings. I think we used like a hamburger seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder. We also put in some onions, peppers, mushrooms, a little bit of everything in there.
Absolutely, and it's gonna be, you know, Philly cheese style. We got some mushrooms in there too. Woo.
Wow, it already smells so
Yes,
good.
let's get it. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after we went ahead and let it simmer for a bit. Toss it around and you can see the caramelized onions. Ooh, ready to go. Woo! Get that there. Dang, that look good.
Yeah.
Woo!
You look good on your right.
Alright. That cheese sauce, baby.
Woo!
Ooh, look at that.
Dipping. Smooth.
That thing go down smooth.
Thick.
Super loaded.
Onions look so good too.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do.
That was proper caramelized.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what
Oh
are
my
they?
gosh.
What are they?
Oh no. All right,
the moment y'all been waiting for. It is time to eat.
Yes.
I am so excited. Chris and I are huge fans of sandwiches.
My favorite sandwiches.
Oh yeah. And we are about to chow down.
Yeah.
The first thing we're gonna try is the smothered barbecue chicken, baby.
All right.
Let's do it.
Wow, we haven't done a taste. We haven't done a taste test in forever. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh.
That's the best Seitan I've ever tasted, point blank.
The consistency of this bad boy and the flavors. Guys, if y'all have never made that meatloaf or this barbecue sauce,
That's insane. All right.
you look nice.
You
look comfortable. Guys, sorry for the shirt. It is what it is.
Guys, my mom is gonna watch this and be like, I like how Will in this look comfortable. I like how he just look comfortable in all your videos. Guys, if you have a Caribbean mom and you know what she really means when she says comfortable, I like how he just look comfortable.
I'm a little comfortable while eating this delicious sandwich because this thing is fart.
Rocky just came in, he was like, oh, but the camera died.
Camera died, new camera now. The kids came downstairs, they was wilding out.
I know.
We told them, hey, we gotta finish this video. Let's do it. Alright, so the next one we're gonna try is the calzone.
Alright.
Alright, so Chris cheated. She actually tasted it already. All I hear is, Alright, so here's what the calzone looks like after I sliced it up. I want to taste it before without it. So
oh yeah. How's that sausage? Sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Is it mm-hmm or uh-huh?
Bort.
Bort.
The seasonings that we put in there, the texture of the sausage.
Their texture of
texture
stuff.
game is fire. And then this is the Whole Foods bread, the Whole Foods dough.
Oh, Whole Foods pizza dough. Yeah.
That pizza dough is like goes perfect with this. You know, like we said in the pizza video, the Whole Foods pizza dough is second place when it comes to the Blackbird pizza.
Yes, Blackbird pizza dough is top. Yep.
That one is top notch. So we had to go with the Whole Foods pizza dough for this. Now I'm gonna try it with the cheese sauce.
Yeah, if we had Blackbird pizza dough, you best believe.
Best believe. All right, so I'm dipping it. All right, got it dipped.
Where's the sausage? I don't see any sausage on there.
It's covered.
Oh.
Chris, you did it again. That was a brilliant idea.
Thank you.
To make the cheese sauce to dip the calzone in. This makes me even more excited for the Philly cheese, which we saved for last.
Yes. I need more calzone.
I was about to say, before we get to that, I'm gonna have some more calzone. So, with the magic of television, and that's how it's done, baby. Alright, now we're going to try what everybody's been waiting for.
What the game's been missing.
The game's been missing, baby. That Philly cheese. It smells amazing. We're gonna try it first without the cheese sauce.
Yes.
And then with. Here goes nothing. Cheers.
Oh, I'm not having any.
Aww.
Guys, I'm stuffed. I ate too much calzone.
I'm getting kind of full, guys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm getting kind of full.
Guys, seriously, that sausage is.
Yeah, that calzone was fire. I don't know, man. This gonna have to top it though.
I know.
don't know. Let's see.
Yeah? It's like I want some, but I'm so stuffed. That's okay, I know that face. This is a problem.
Consistency for the win.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That cheese on there too?
Yeah.
And the peppers in there too?
You
and the onions? I didn't use the dipping sauce yet.
You didn't even use the dip yet.
I know it's about to be like on 1,000 once I put that dip. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Disgusting.
Yeah, we nasty.
Y'all just straight nasty for that one. He's walking. He's facing. He's walking.
Shut it down.
Shut it down.
This is it.
That's it.
Sorry, calzone.
Oh no.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Cheesesteak for the win.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. I gotta dip it again. I gotta dip it again. You know what it is? It's the way that when it comes, it's all chopped up already. It's like authentic Philly cheese.
Yes, yes.
And that's what I love the most about this. And then when you put your little seasonings and everything, it just brings out
all the flavors,
man.
yeah.
It's just something special. This is
very unique. I mean, y'all know we've been vegan for 5 years. We've tried a lot of different like steak type products.
Yes.
We've never tried anything like this, so I'm very excited. Y'all know we're very tough critics, but I don't know, man. I don't know. That's a really authentic. Like, you can't tell me I'm not eating an actual Philly cheesesteak. That's the crazy part about it. I went to school in Delaware, and I used to go to this place called Gino's, and they used to have like great Philly cheesesteaks.
Looking inside the pot, man, when we was making this, we were like, yo, this, we already know it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. Yo, y'all, don't forget we have a coupon code. If y'all want to try this out, if you want to try the pizzas out, I know people.
Not if y'all want to try it out. Y'all gotta try this out.
You gotta try it out. I know Champ's Diner in New York, they use their Seitan. I know people love the Blackbird pizza all throughout the Northeast.
Also Screamers?
Screamers, I think, too. So yeah, look it up. They are very well respected. If you don't know about Blackbird, definitely check them out and use.
You can order it.
You can order it. It can come straight to your house.
To your house.
There are people who have driven hours. Like when you go in their comment section, people are like, "Oh yeah, I've driven hours just to get to Blackbird Pizza." Now it comes to your house.
These guys are 4 for 4 now because the pizza was fire. The original Seitan was fire.
Yes.
The Texas barbecue Seitan was fire. And the sausage was fire.
Fire.
4 out of 4. Just give them an extra star.
You know
5
what?
5 out of 5, baby.
It's also very rare that we like all products from a company.
Yes.
That's very rare.
There's always like something that could use some improvement.
Yes.
But this right here, nah, this the one.
The one.
Alright guys, so that was it. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and zip up your quote. And drink your almond milk.
Okay.
And zip up your quote.
What? Hipster dear? What kind of thing? What kind of thing? Oh, don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. What?